Hello everybody, here's a quick look at the FPV dock for my Mobius camera, undermounted. Also, here's another look at this mission I'm trying to do where I will solder directly to the ESC board the motor wires, that way I can save some space and hopefully remove some weight for extra speed. But yeah, so I ended up getting better range with this undermounted FPV dock for my Mobius, and here's some in-flight footage of that. I was able to take it up much higher this time and get a much better view as well, thanks to this undermounted FPV dock. I'm using dipole antennas, so I found that having the antenna pointed down towards me was a lot better, and I got a lot better range. The only thing is calibrating the gyros whenever I'm arming the motors is a little tricky. I have to hold it very still and upright. So I decided to take this new system and to a park nearby my house just to test it out to see what I could get, and it seemed to work out very well, although I was only able to fly for a short amount of time because I was unaware of a policy that the park had where no drones were permitted at all. It was a perfect day for flying, and I guess I should have done more research, but I actually ended up getting kicked out of this park and unknowingly, so I paid the price. Oh well. But enjoy this footage here. I'll point out later on whenever the park rangers come along, you can actually see them in the video talking to me, telling me to leave. So yeah, that'll be interesting. I'll definitely point them out. But thanks for watching. If you like this content, definitely help support me by hitting the subscribe button and liking this video as well. I appreciate everything, and I look forward to posting more videos for y'all in the future. Thanks. And here you will be able to see that blue SUV type of car. That's the park ranger there walking up to me. But yeah, I kind of captured the whole moment here. It's nothing insanely exciting, but I don't know. I just thought it was funny how I got kicked out of the park at 9 a.m. when the park was almost empty. But anyways, I was still able to get some very good footage despite the fact, and I hope that you all are able to enjoy this. It's definitely some breathtaking views. I definitely love the land and the nature. That's the only reason I was there recording anyways, but I wasn't there trying to start up any type of conflict, but I just enjoy the nature. And so do not think that I'm trying to say that this is a bad park or anything by any means. I love it here. It's a great place to visit and have fun, but here you can kind of see, I mean, me and my girlfriend were kind of just sitting by my car at the time. It was about almost 9 a.m. but anyways, I understand policies are policies, so I very respectfully just landed my drone after that, albeit kind of fast. I kind of landed it kind of quickly. I was able to land it upside down somehow too to kind of protect the antenna. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. Bye.